Hi, I'm Juliana.
Hi, I'm Lisa. And I'm Devil Miller.
And we are Eastern Woodlands. The longhouses were 15 to 20 feet and made out of poles which were covered with bark that was cut into rectangular slabs. They were as stable as a building today and most of the time never let rain through the roof. The tinier ones are called wigwams because it is a dome shaped like half of a ball. Food. The Eastern Woodlands people ate animals such as bear, moose, bison, beavers, raccoons, and rabbits. The Eastern Woodland men were effective fishermen, so that means they also ate fish. They also ate corn, beans, berries, squash, pumpkins, and melons.
Facts of where they lived. The land was mostly grass and trees, but there was rivers. In the Eastern Woodlands, the average annual temperature is 9.1 Celsius. About 807 millimeters of precipitation falls annually. The animals that live there are bears, deer, squirrels. The Eastern Woodland women planted squash, pumpkins, and melons. Folklore. When groups of people got lost in the woods and started to starve, some of them started to eat each other and they turned into wendigos. When the wendigos return home from the forest, they aren't really welcome. They aren't welcome anymore because they became violent and not really social. So they would want to eat everyone they see and become more of a wendigo. Tools and baskets. The Eastern Woodland men use bowls and lamps made out of wood for hunting the big animals. For the small animals, they use traps, nails, and dead frogs to trap the animals and they can eat them. Baskets were a big part of daily life in tribes across the country. The Eastern Woodland baskets were made out of black ash splints. The loops were made out of basswood, fiber, coal. People made other projects from forestry, strong flex birch bark was woven or bent into baskets. The Iroquois Indians used the pelt of animals for their clothes. In the winter, the men wore short leggings and moccasins made out of buckskin. Buckskin is clothing made from the skin of animals, mainly deer. The women wore skirts. They had wore more from the wild grass covered with fur, with leggings underneath.
The Eastern Woodland had ceremonies and feasts each time a season changes.
They also did a rituals to mark the three main elements, which are birth, puberty, and death. The Algonquian had feasts and ceremonies to celebrate special occasions throughout the year. Art projects. You can see here, this is a little canoe with a little person inside. We have a campfire, and as trees, I use these little like plastic flowers. I cut them and use them as trees. Here is one of the wigwams that they built, and here's just the little fox we made.
And as you can see, since right here, as we said in our presentation, that since they were effective fishermen, they were probably eating fish, fishing for fish.
Thank you.
But wait, there's more. Right here, as you can see, we just used a box that we covered with popsicle sticks to represent the longhouses. They can also fit 2 to 3 families in each longhouse.